Good afternoon, welcome back to T3. We're going to be doing a Gamdias expose here on the channel over the next few weeks, starting off with the Hermes P2 keyboard. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Alrighty then, so Gamdias, a whole new brand being introduced to South Africa with peripherals and cooling and all kinds of things, chairs even. And we're starting off with the keyboards, the Hermes P2 in particular. Let's get that out of the way. And now she blows. So it is, as you would have noticed, an RGB mechanical keyboard. Alright, and they've given us the brown switches. Now it has optical switches, which are a little bit new, but they do feel actually really good. First thing I kind of noticed was that they don't have a side-to-side kind of lean like some of the Cherry MXs or cheaper renditions of that, which is quite nice. And the keycaps are super easy to remove. There's no issues there. The backlighting isn't the brightest I've ever seen, but it's effective. It does its job admirably. And there's a couple other little nice features. They do give you a key remover in with it, so if you are in the middle of your keyboard, if you're trying to remove keys over here, that will be helpful. It is really nice flat deck, so cleaning it is going to be super easy, which I do like. And it has some of the most convincing feet I've ever seen on a keyboard. I mean, these things are like in and out of there. They are not to be messed with. Really nice rubberizing on the bottom. All of that's kind of nice, but what's special about this keyboard? Well, for one, this is aluminium backplate that they do have over here, which is really good constructionally. It's no flex whatsoever. They've done a really good job on that. And then there's this volume slider, which is it's just so tasty. They've done a really nice job on that. And something unique that I've never seen on a keyboard before is actually the ability to switch your arrow keys with your WASD at the switch of a button. You just hit the function key and you hit this F4 over here and it will literally switch them around. So you guys don't have to go and remap if you are a lefty or if you're playing a racing game or whatever, wherever you want to switch those two around, you can literally just hit a key. There is a Windows lock key. They have moved the Windows key over to the middle over here. Well, there is only one in the middle. The other one is a function key. So the chances of you messing up with that are going to be very low. But overall, we have to talk about value here because this keyboard is only going to cost you 800 Rand. That's right, you get a full mechanical, aluminium backplate, backlit RGB keyboard that is also programmable. You can program the lights and some of the key functions on this keyboard for 800 bucks. That's mad. The value that's coming through from Gamdias is actually quite incredible, and this is really good quality. The aluminium is not cheap, it's nicely brushed, it's not going to age badly. Like I say, it's very easy to clean and remove that kind of stuff. Literally the only thing I would change on this entire keyboard is if the wrist rest was removable. It is built into the actual structure of the keyboard, so that's less than ideal for traveling. But if that's not a deal breaker for you, then there's literally nothing to complain about here. And there you have the Hermes P2, a very strong opener from Gamdias. We are going to be continuing the series with the mice, headsets, and some cooling products from them as well. So do stick around with that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.